Guys, I got it for $2.35. And I just putting this over there. Anyway, it's like a vintage. Anyway, you know that it look like red coral, but um probably just I don't think it's original red coral. Probably just it's cold too, guys. So because the red coral they have like sometimes they have blemishes and stuff. Or probably just regular beads. I don't think it's a red coral. Because there's no like holes, spots, and like all shiny and stuff. And it twists like. But it's long anyway, you don't need to remove this. Because the necklace is a little bit longer. So anyway, see you later.